So this is my buddy Ralph Rocca, and you're going to be Rocha. And you're going to be seeing a lot of him. He's my new neighbor at the shop. We've got the 4 bays, and then he's got the next 4 bays. And this is his car. What are the chances of 2 Mopar guys, you know, right?
Exactly, yeah.
So, at any rate, I wanted to show, people are always asking about 440s, right? Like motorhome 440s specifically, like, you know, are they junk, you know? Ralph, all right, let's start with this. How fast have you gone with this thing?
1098 at 98 miles, 698, take it back. 698 at 98 miles an hour.
In the 8th?
In the 8th.
Which is a 1090?
1090.
Right,
miles.
okay. And the car weighs what?
About 3,800 pounds.
This thing still has power steering. It's got power steering. This is a legitimate street car. Okay. All right. So now this engine, right? Forgetting about the blower. Let's go from the bottom up. It's a
78 Chrysler New Yorker 440.
Okay. So it's a cast crank.
Yeah.
440 out of New York.
Cast pistons. Oh, the way I took it out, that's the way it's in here, plus the blower.
Okay. So it's got the cast crank.
Cast pistons.
Stock rods.
Stock rods.
Stock rod rollers.
Yeah.
Okay. Stock pistons.
Stock
so
pistons.
It's like 7.5 to 1 compressor.
8.2 to 1.
8.2 to 1.
And I put a little bigger cam in it. I don't know what size it is, but it's
It's one you had laying on the shelf,
yeah,
and you threw it in there.
Around 500 liters.
Okay. The heads are what?
Stock.
Just off
The way they come out of the 78 Chrysler New Yorker.
Have they ever actually been off the motor?
The what?
Have they ever actually been off the motor?
Yeah, once. I did a 3-angle valve job on it.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
But other than that,
No boarding, no polishes. 160 208 valve. Whatever stock is.
okay. And then the blower.
And the blower.
And what's the blower?
671 with about 9.5 pounds of boost.
Okay. And how many runs do you have on this thing? Because people are going to be like, oh, great. You don't make like one pass and it'll...
I put the motor together 15 years ago with the blower on. I haven't taken it out. I haven't taken the blower out. I just play with the carburetors. And right now I think I got about 20 passes on this motor. And whatever many passes I make today.
And street driving, 15 years worth of street driving on this thing.
15 years worth of street driving, and I got tired of street driving.
And it's a full interior car. It's got everything. Just take this car and drive it anywhere. Why don't you take Uncle Kathy for a spin in this thing?
Sure.
Can you bring her up there and let her loose?
Yeah, I can go out there.
Jump in there.
I like to let her in.
So Ralph, what are your plans for this thing? Hope you're rolling.
I don't know. I got what I wanted. 690s. That's what I want. So
You can't stop there. What's the next step?
590s.
590s?
Yeah.
All right. So there you go. Our new neighbor Ralph, his hot rod, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.